on my family tree. Let me bleed on my family tree. Let me bleed on my family tree. See, a funeral's the only time we meet and greet. So please breathe new life here, cause the dead can see that we so trifling. We lost Mike, no Tyson. We lost Charles, no Barkley, priceless. Shanita was the icing on Rosetta cake, so when she sliced it, Alan wiped her. Then she passed, so you know he booked that next flight. Rigor Morris got my family in this grip tight, but we drive and then crash like ticket I asked. Too much pride, I confined, put family aside. Who did what don't mean shit, we bigger than that. We let the devil get the wheel, he turning us back. You bow your head to that fact, he seek that attack. But if he driving granny like, I'm jacking it back. Let me bleed on my family tree. Let me bleed on my family tree. I play my part to keep this family together, but there's some in my family rather part forever. I see them and it's always open arms for them, but when I hug them I can feel that they heart slowing. Down for the drama, self-indulgent. That's not your enemy, that's your aunt's daughter. We lack serenity, try by our own borders. Is this over Trinity? Is it Sean's daughter? Tisha, you the reason our family is scorching, and Aisha attitude is the reason it's boiling. Jonetta and Rochelle, y'all elders appointed. Y'all parents built this family, don't let us destroy it. Hold it down, we grows and louds. Graves with the babes, now they gave us ground. I'm trying to steer away from this hatred of ours, but if we can't water our trees, I'm branching out.